I always wondered what happened if you pay someone Fiverr to edit your YouTube video. So I decided to find out. In this video, I'll show you what it's like to hire a Fiverr video editor, how it works, what kind of results you can expect, and if it is actually worth it. Let's find out. Fiverr is one of the best freelance platform online where you can hire professional for literally anything from logo design to full video editing. The best part, find skilled video editor from all around the world at price starting as low as $5. That's why so many creators use Fiverr to level up their content. So here how it's work. Just go to Fiverr, type video editing. Then you can you see thousands of video editor can help you to edit your video, offering different style, cinematics edit, YouTube blogs, short form reels, gaming montage, you name it. You can check their portfolios, reviews, choose the one the best fit for your style. You can check their review, their rating and price, everything you can check. It's and delivery time. It's that simple. Now here the point part, the final result. The edits are usually super clean with smoothly and everything. You can find. I paid a video editor for edit my edit video. I'm hiring this dear. He is a very professional and top rated freelancer on Fiverr. He have review 3,300 review and 4.9 rating, and also 6 are already in queue. I hire him for edit my YouTube video. He edit my video is very professionally. You can check his professional video. He did so much video for me, and also you can check he have so many review, 300, 3,000 review. So there are so many years. So you are YouTuber or anything, you can hire anyone. There are so many experts. You can check. I will add this link on my description below. You can hire anyone. You can contact with them. There are so many experts. You can check seller details and you have budget. How many budget you have? You can add this. So everything is flexible for hire a video editor, and you can hire. You send their your raw footage and they are contact with you how can they help you to edit your video. So don't be hesitate. There are this marketplace is very trustable and usable. I edit my video is very cheap price they are take. I send my raw footage, then they are edit my video. So I hope you understand. I will add this link on my description below, then you will contact with them before placing order. They will help you how they will can edit your YouTube video. So I hope you understand. I will add this link on my description below. So this video will help you. Please like, share, subscribe our video. This is appreciate me. Thank you so much.